Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can delete your Safari search history on your iPhone. The first thing that you want to do, you want to click on your settings and then you want to scroll down. When we're at the Safari, you want to click on it and then you want to scroll down to the bottom of the page. There is a small section over here marked with blue font. It says clear history and website data. This is where you want to click. When you click over here, you will have an option to delete your recent search history for the last hour or today and yesterday, and you have an option to delete all of your history at once. This is very important. You also will be able to close all of your tabs over here in a single manner. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and like this video.